Hello everyone, this is your teacher Michael. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Matkarit. For this video presentation, let us talk about how to solve arithmetic sequence. Hello class, for this video presentation, let us talk about how to solve arithmetic sequence. So without further ado, let us discuss this topic. So what is arithmetic sequence? It says that an arithmetic sequence is a sequence of numbers in which the difference between consecutive terms is constant. So I'll give you an example. So here we have the order of numbers 2, 5, 8, 11, and 14. Okay. If you're going to subtract the first term, this is your first term. First term, second term, third term, fourth, and fifth. So we are going to subtract first term to the second term, which is 5. The difference is 3. Also, when you subtract the second term to the third term, the difference is also 3. So therefore, we can conclude that 3 is the common difference. Okay. 3. Okay. 3 is the common difference. Okay. Let us solve the first example. Find the 12th term of the sequence 8, 12, 16, and 20. Okay, so this is our problem. We are going to find the 12th term. Okay, so to solve that, we have the formula. We have the a sub n is equals to a sub 1 plus n minus 1, multiply that with the common difference. Okay, so this is our first term, 8, that is a sub 1 equals to 8. Then our n is equals to 12. Okay, so we can now plot the value of a sub 1, which is 8, then add 12 minus 1, and then the common difference. Okay, so we have to subtract 8, the first term, to the second term, which is 12. So our common difference here, that is 4. Okay, 4. Also, when you subtract 16 to 20, the difference is also 4. So therefore, our common difference is 4. Okay. Next, just bring down 8. Then 12 minus 1. That is 11, multiply that by 4. Okay, so bring down again 8. Then 11 times 4, that is 44. Next, we have to add 8 plus 44. Okay, we can use this space, 44 plus 8, this is 12, carry 1, so 52. So the 12th term is 52. Okay, did you get class? Okay, so let us proceed to the second example. So our task is to find the number of terms in the progression 15, 30, 45, 60, and the last term which is 480. Okay, so again, this is our first term, second term, third, fourth, and this is the last term. Okay, so let us write the first term, which is a sub 1 is equals to 15. Okay, so next, our common difference, b. We are going to subtract 30 by 15, so that is also 15. Okay, so take note that our last term, which is a sub n, is equals to 480. Okay, so our problem is in. How to find n? Okay, so we can find the value of n with the help of the formula. So we have our formula is of n is equals to a sub 1 plus n minus 1, multiply that with the common difference. Okay, so our a sub n is 480 and 80. You have our a sub 1, which is 15, plus n, which is the missing, minus 1, multiply that with the common difference, which is 15. Okay, so let us bring down 480 is equals to 15. Then let us multiply 15 to n. Okay, that is 15 n. Then multiply also 15 to negative 1. That is equals to negative 15. Okay. Next, bring down 480. Next, combine negative 15 and positive 15, that is 0. So what is left is 15 n. Okay, so to get the value of n, just divide both sides by 15. So this is 15. So we can cancel 15. So our n is equals to, just divide 480 by 15, that is equals to 32. Okay, so therefore our value of n is 32. Did you get class? Okay, so what about the third example? So we are tasked to find the missing number in the following sequence. So we have the first term. We have our first term, which is 14, this one, but we do not have the value of second, this one, second term, third term. We have the value of the fourth term, fifth and sixth. Okay, so let us find the a sub 1, which is 14. Okay, so our n, or a sub n, is 39. So this is our first term, second term, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. So therefore, our ace of 6 is equals to 39. So our problem here is the common difference. We do not have the value of common difference. Okay, so let us solve the problem using the formula ace of n is equals to ace of 1 plus n minus 1, multiply that with the common difference. Okay, so this is ace of n, which is 39. It is 39. Our ace of 1, which is 14, plus. Therefore, our n is 6 here. Minus 1. Multiply that with the common difference. Okay, bring down 39. Then 14. You add that with the becomes now 5. 6 minus 1 is 5. So this is 5 times the common difference. Okay, again bring down 39. We have 14. So this becomes now 5d, because you're going to multiply that d2, multiply d to 5, that is 5d. Okay, so to find the value of d, okay, bring down 39, move this positive 14 to the left, so it becomes negative 14. So what is left is 5d. Okay, so 39 minus 14, that is 25. You have 5d. Okay, so to find the value of d, just divide both sides by 5. This is 5. Okay, so therefore, can cancel this. Our common difference is equals to 5, because 25 divided by 5 is 25. I mean 25 divided by 5 is 5. Okay, so that is how to find the common difference. So once we have the common difference, you add that to 14. So 14 plus 5, so that is 19. So this is 19 plus 19 plus 5 is 24. So this is 24. Okay, so 24 plus 5, that is 29. So 29 plus 5 again, that is 34. So therefore this blank is 34. Okay, so I hope that you get the correct answer, class. So I hope that you learned from this short video presentation. Thank you for watching.